Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've just had come in a stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi A5 Sportback Sport with 35 TDI engine and the S-Tronic automatic gearbox. This particular model is finished in the brilliant black solid paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 2-litre diesel engine you get 160 brake horsepower with 370 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in around 8.1 seconds and onto a top speed of 140 miles per hour. On the front we have the LED headlights with the daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners the 18-inch 5 twin cast aluminium wheels in silver, offering a lovely contrast to that black paintwork. With the rear tailgate open you get 465 litres of boot space, perfect for your everyday essentials and weekend away luggage. The interior is finished in twin leather for maximum luxury, with centre armrest and tri-zone climate control bringing up the comfort front. Both outer seats are also fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the leather multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats and are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is configurable to your tastes and needs, with the left side the multifunction controls. On the right is your volume and voice control, so it's mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for the precious motorway miles per gallon. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, which gives you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle. And next to this is the Park Assist, which brings up the 360-degree camera system so that you never have to worry about dinking any of that precious bodywork. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.